Perfect.
Ten so dark you cannot see who I'm riding with. Diamond glisten all up in my watch, can tell what time it is. Diamond clusters all up in my watch, they got you blind as shit. I tied a beat up, then I fucking yeah, I'm on some mileage.
Okay guys, so ngayon nandito tayo sa job fair. Mega job fair ng Dagupan na kinonduct ng Peso sa Dole. So magsasurvey tayo, titingnan natin kung ano ba yung mga hinahanap ng mga applicants sa kanilang mga employer. So sabahan niyo ako maghanap ng applicants.
Spin real shit, I'm only writing facts. And yeah, I swear I gotta take the weight up off my back. I got all of the shit that's on my chest, but I'm still killing it, I'm kinda tipsy.
In general, we're just looking for an environment that will help us to grow as an individual and as a professional as well. And also, who can give us the proper compensation.
Ma-enhance po yung skills ko as a employee.
Higher, ano po kayo, salary?
Mga social din po na tao. Tapos, well-rounded din po na yung madali pong i-approach. Tsaka syempre po, may pagka-strict din po pero sa trabaho.
Especially po yung first po yung mabait po sir. Tapos yung wala pong discrimination, so all about po sa mga employer po nila. Yun lang po yung mahalaga po para sa akin sir. Kasi mostly po na ina-applyan ko is meron po siyang discrimination sa about po sa mga employee po na nag-work o kaya nag-a-apply po sa kanila.
First, they would be very strict, but still, I expect them to be nice because most of us here are newly applicants, and so I think they could adapt to different people because we are just applying for our new jobs.
Kumbaga mag-hire sila kaagad, mabilis yung proseso.
Expect ko po na professional yung mga employer, tapos transparency.
Take the weight up off my back. I got all of the shit that's on my chest, but I'm still killing it. I'm kinda tipsy, falling over. Hold my cup, I'm spinning.